Welcome back, and you are watching Technical World. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix the Play Store. Play Store not downloading, not updating apps in any Android phone. So without wasting any time, let's get started, and before start please don't forget to subscribe. Now what we have to do, launch settings. Scroll, find and tap on additional setting. Here we have to tap on application management and tap all. We have to scroll and find Play Store. First we have to clear cache. On clear data. Tap OK. Will be clear and your problem will be solved. That's it. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful, so please don't forget to subscribe, like and share with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.